Oh no. Say, what is that?
Who is it? It's Katya's Corner. It's almost Christmas. Do you want to see my playroom? Yes! First I have to get dressed. Whoa! What is that spelled? J-O-Y. Joy. Today is December 19th. December! I am putting this on December 19th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until Christmas. I'm going to write the number 5. 5 days until Christmas. This is the Mouse King. This is Clara. And this is Nutcracker from the Nutcracker Ballet. Let's read this book. This is heavy.
I know.
Wow. It's a pop-up book. Next page. Whoa, what did they do in this page? Where are they? They all shouted, "Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown." This is Charlie Brown and this is the big Christmas tree. Let's go look up the Christmas tree. Some of the ornaments are missing and the star. Red, a green and white and red glove. This is a snowflake. This is a good spot and this is a good spot. And now, time for the star. It's almost Christmas Eve, so we need to bake cookies for Santa Claus. We'll get the rolling pin. Roll. The plate is ready. Now I have to bake it in the oven. Up, 30 seconds. Ding, it's ready. Has it cool? Look, this is how I get the cookies out. I'll put them on the plate. It's all done. Now let's write a note to Santa. We're all ready for Christmas. Thank you for watching Katya's Corner. Bye! Thanks for stopping by Katya's Corner. Be sure to like and subscribe.